So here we have some of the ingredients, or all of them in fact. We have extra virgin olive oil, raisins, dates, currants, prunes. We have some fruits, pears, apples, 2 of each. You'll make a pie crust, some sugar, and we've got cinnamon, white pepper, ground cloves, mace, nutmeg, and sandalwood. Plus we have some almond milk. You want to preheat your oven to 375. We're adding the sugar to the almond milk. Teaspoon of mace, half a teaspoon of cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon each of ginger and nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of oil. Calls for just a pinch of sandalwood, and the main purpose seems to be to turn it red. It's not very red, so we're going to add a little bit more sandalwood. And still more. The recipe doesn't say to chop the prunes, but we are because the ones we have are quite big. We'll need a 1/4 cup of chopped dates, a 1/4 cup of raisins. We're going to have a 1/4 cup of currants, a 1/4 cup of raisins, we toss all the fruits together. That's apples, pears, currants, raisins, prunes, dates. Into the pie it goes. The lid is going on the pie. He is fluting the edges. To the oven it goes. 45 minutes and a little bit of cooling time, and we will have a wonderful fruit pie. And here it comes. It bubbled over quite a bit, and so we have learned that we will have to in future either use less filling or put a pan underneath. Big moment has come. We have let the pie cool. We are about to cut it.
Time for the reveal.
Here it is, the finished product. I've never had currants in my life. I've never been a fan of prunes, but it looks good.
Very rich flavor.
The apples and pears are good. See if I can get some prunes.
All the wonderful spices coming together in this.
It's really good. It has a lot of natural sweetness, presumably coming from the fruit.
Yes, only a very small amount of sugar went into this. All the other sweetness in it is from the fruits.
And so far, of all the things we imagine prunes to be, I have not tasted anything like that. It's very, very good. I highly recommend this.